Hi, are you ready to kickstart your day feeling fresh, energized, and full of positivity? Stretching in the morning can improve flexibility, boost circulation, and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Let's dive into an easy and effective morning routine that will leave you feeling amazing. Welcome to the Quick Fix Time Best Morning Stretching. Number 1. Neck stretch. Gently tilt your head to the right side, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch to the left side. This simple move relieves tension and wakes up your neck muscles. Number 2. Shoulder rolls. Roll your shoulders forward in a circular motion for 10 seconds, then roll them backward. This helps loosen tight shoulders and prepares your upper body for the day. Number 3. Standing side stretch. Stand tall and raise your arms overhead. Clasp your hands together and gently lean to one side, then the other. This stretch opens up your sides and improves your posture. Number 4. Cat-cow stretch. Get on all fours. Arch your back like a cat, then dip it down like a cow. Repeat slowly for about 30 seconds to awaken your spine and release any stiffness. Number 5. Seated forward bend. Sit on the floor with your legs stretched out in front of you. Reach forward toward your toes while keeping your back straight. Hold for 20 seconds to stretch your hamstrings and lower back. Number 6. Chest opener. Stand or sit upright. Clasp your hands behind your back and gently lift them while opening your chest. This counteracts the hunching we often do during the day. Number 7. Hip flexor stretch. Step one foot forward into a lunge position, keeping the back leg extended. Sink your hips forward gently and feel the stretch in your hip area. Hold for 20 seconds on each side. Number 8. Seated spinal twist. Sit on the floor, bend your right knee, and place your right foot over your left leg. Twist your torso towards the right and hold. This helps boost spinal mobility and digestion. Number 9. Ankle rotations. Lift one foot off the ground and rotate your ankle clockwise, then counterclockwise. Repeat with the other foot. This activates blood flow and wakes up your lower body. Number 10. Standing quad stretch. Stand on one foot, grab your opposite ankle, and pull it gently towards your glutes. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch sides. This targets your thighs and improves balance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick and easy wellness tips. See you in the next video.